What's up guys, it's Sam here, and today we're going to get into episode 2 of how to maximize your crypto income. Today we're going to be covering Nexos as the crypto lending platform and how to earn passive daily income with Nexos. So we're just going to explain a bit about what they are, how their loans work, and all of the kind of interest rates that you can earn with them. So remember, this is not financial advice at all, and to take everything that we do as education and entertainment purposes only. And look, we're going to get straight into it now, and you're going to learn how to earn some passive income with the application called Nexos. And remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, as we've really been on a roll over the last few months, and we want to keep it going over the next month as well and really get the most out of it. So thanks guys, and we're going to get straight into the video. Right, so guys, Nexos was created in 2018 and it's basically powered by a company called Credissimo. So Credissimo have been around for over 10 years now in Europe, and this is why they get a bit of their credibility from. Their team has over 15 years worth of experience in the lending and banking space. So that's why they kind of are seen as a more trusted kind of place to leave your money. So Credissimo and Nexo have only been kind of together and the same thing since 2018 when Nexos was released. So as we can kind of see, they've got a lot of experience in their teams. They have over 1 billion in loan requests, over 53,000 communities in the Telegram. They have over 10 years of a successful track record in lending. So this company, they really do know what they're doing. They're an extremely credible company which gives people peace of mind when using the Nexos platform, because it is coming from Credissimo. So just as we go further into this, we can kind of see the 10 years of FinTech success. I'll just move myself there. So Credissimo started in 2007. You can see a couple of things that they've been doing. So proprietary access automation, mobile adoption, e-commerce and utility bill payments, IPO, so it's a public company as well, so you can kind of see what they're doing, and then all the way up to Nexo when it was created in 2018. So Nexo is their first thing to go into crypto, and it's basically providing just an easy lending platform through collateral and not really checking things too much as long as you are providing collateral, so you can take a percentage of it, which I'm going to get into in more detail later on. So I'm just going to bring you onto their website and just show you just a bit about their stats and statistics from customers and how much assets they have under management. So here we're just kind of on the Nexos about page. So you can see here as well, reinforcing the statement, they were created in 2018, and basically they have over 2 million users. They're available in 40 different fiat currencies, over 200 jurisdictions, and 200k in the social media community, which is absolutely crazy. So basically they're creating the future of finance today from their founder Antonio Trenchrev. I'm never going to be able to pronounce that name, absolutely horrendous attempt, but you get the picture. And yeah, look, they're really growing an awful lot. They've got a good lot of different partnerships, as you can see there as well, with those of Paxos, Blockchain, Circle, Brave, which is also a browser. So Brave is a browser that creates ad block, and you can actually select to see advertisements, and you will get paid in their BAT token every time you see an advertisement. So they basically pay you for using your information, where the other kind of sites will not do that. So yeah, it's an interesting one to look into if you're looking to earn some small amount of money while you're browsing. But anyways, going off topic, that's basically what Nexo is, how they were created, the timeline that they were created on, and now we're just going to get into some more stuff that's actually a bit more interesting and where you can start earning some money. So now we're just going to get into interest rates. So interest rates, that's pretty much why you're going to be watching this video. How can I make money from basically doing nothing and just putting my money in a location? So basically this site, Nexos, actually pays you great interest rates, and it also offers a lot more different types of cryptocurrencies compared to BlockFi. So they have a lot more supported assets, and they also pay a bit of a higher interest as well, and you can see how you can actually maximize your interest through Nexos as well. So yeah, here we will just take an example. You can see Tether, they offer a very good rate on Tether, so you can make the 3,000 from 10,000 over 3 years. So yeah, if you're not consistently putting anything into it, that's how much you will earn. It's a very high rate, so you can earn between 8 to 12% on all of the assets mentioned, and we'll just show you now what assets they have and how you can maximize what you have. So here you can see they're offering 12% APR pretty much on all the fiat currencies, euro, Great British pound, US dollar, some of the stable coins. And yeah, so that's 12%, but you're actually earning the interest in the Nexo token. So you're taking your payments in the Nexo token that they issue to you. So it's the same for all the rest of them with BTC, ETH. You're getting 8%, but you're getting it paid to you in the in the Nexo token. So if you take away the Nexo token, you lose 2% from all of these different things. So yeah, so look, it's a nice bit of a drop down unless you're actually getting the Nexo token. So basically, myself personally, I do take my interest in the Nexo token just to maximize the amount that I have, and also because it's giving you a small bit of exposure to just to do another cryptocurrency. So I kind of see this more as a bit of a bonus just for putting your money there. So I currently hold all of my XRP in Nexos because BlockFi doesn't support XRP, so that's why I have all of my XRP actually situated in Nexos. There will be, so basically they say they support DOT and ADA, but they actually don't. They allow you to earn interest in them two different currencies, but you cannot deposit your own ADA or DOT from a different account into it at the moment. I actually went onto an online chat and I talked to some of the guys at Nexos, and they are working on this, and it will be done very, very soon. So that'll be somewhere you can also then move your DOT and ADA into, which will be a great boost, and I'll definitely be putting mine there. It's a very easy to use app. And yeah, we'll just go into now a bit about the loans, how they generate the cash. And yeah, look, it's interesting to see, because you can see you're basically getting daily compound interest with this. So you don't really get that anywhere else. The normal banks these days are going to offer you between 0 to 1 to 0.2.5% interest, where here they're literally throwing it at you. Why would you put your money anywhere else than here? It's just absolutely crazy. So yeah, look, we're going to get into how they actually generate this money, and we'll show you just an example of how a loan is done. So here we can actually see my own personal account with Nexos. So here you're actually getting your first glimpse of one of my holdings that I do have, and that is XRP. So I've had this for only about a week to a week and a half, and you can see the interest that I've earned already is $8.69, and it's getting paid into my Nexo token instead of my XRP. So basically, how Nexos generates its cash, how it generates money, it sends out loans where you'll be paying at a higher rate of 13.9%, and basically the profits that come in from these loans are paid out in interest to everyone else. So if you have a loan and you actually default on your loan, you have to front up collateral. So you can see I have a portfolio balance of 2,115, and I can take out 633 in an instant loan, which is very heavily over collateralized, and basically they are getting their money whatever way you do it. So it's pretty much the case for every single loan. On here it's over collateralized, and if it does default on it, basically your collateral is liquidized, and then it is also then paid out to people as interest. So I'll just show you now on XRP the interest that I'm actually earning. So for XRP, I'm actually earning 6% rate. So I earned a base rate at 4%, and then I decided to take the interest in Nexo tokens. So then you get up to 6%. So I can earn a total of 8%. So say up to 8%. So this is how you would do it. You go to upgrade, and you would upgrade to silver. So this is it. So basically I am taking my interest in Nexo tokens to move up the levels here. So it's without me actually putting any money into it, and I'm just going to gradually work my way up by taking my interest in Nexo tokens. So I've been taking interest so far in Nexo tokens, and I need 7.49 to upgrade. I think I have around 5 Nexo tokens, and as you move up you can see your interest rates will all increase. So yeah, they will all increase. I'll go all the way up to 5% once I get to platinum eventually. So yeah, that's how you move up the levels with Nexos. And yeah, look, I think it's a pretty good system that they have going, and I'm just delighted really to have a bit more exposure just to another token that I don't really have to put any effort into and just receive pretty much on the daily. I get paid every single day just for having this. No matter how much it is, you're adding up all the pennies, and then you're also earning a compound rate on that one as well. So if you go into your account here, you'll see just from Nexo token, I have 5.2 Nexo tokens, earning up to 12%, and yes, I'm earning 7% currently on my Nexo token, and it's the same when you go to upgrade for silver. If you basically just go all the way to platinum, you'll be earning the full 12% on Nexo tokens. And you have to have between at least 10% of Nexo tokens in your portfolio. So yeah, it's pretty good, and you will consistently be earning money. The app is very, very easy to use. It's easy to get started. The verification process is very, very good. They're easy to talk to. So yeah, it's actually a very, very, very good app, and I'm actually delighted with how it's been going so far. So just one other thing I want to touch on, and that is the Nexo credit card. So basically BlockFi also have one of these coming out too, and it's going to be extremely good for the crypto market when more of these get issued. I think going down to like 300,000 or something at the moment, and BlockFi, I think it's something similar as well. But then basically it allows you to use your crypto as spending wherever you want to, everywhere that accepts MasterCard, and that's when things will get way more and more adoption. So basically it's accepted by 40 million people all around the world, and they produce a cashback for you, so you're constantly going to be just earning more money back from every time you use this card. So a 2% cashback on all transactions that will be paid to you in either Nexo tokens or in Bitcoin. So yeah, it's just a little added perk to be using one of these lenders if you eventually do get on the credit card that they will be getting out eventually, and then to be literally by using a normal bank, they'll be paying you some really nice interest rates as well. So yeah, that's just one final thing to finish on, and what my opinion is and who I think this is for. And I think it's literally for anyone, like anyone who has a bit of crypto and they want it to just earn some interest. I wouldn't really go with Nexo. I really prefer it to BlockFi. The ease of use, the ability to earn Nexo tokens and at a higher rate of interest as well is extremely good. I have no complaints so far, and I am thoroughly enjoying my experience on Nexo, and I cannot recommend it enough. And as soon as they get Polkadot and they get Cardano on here, I'll also be throwing them straight in here as well, and get them getting to work as well. So yeah, look, I can't recommend this enough, just to earn some passive daily income from crypto. So yeah guys, look, that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you've learned a lot. You've learned how you can make some nice passive income from crypto. It compounds by the daily. You get paid every day, and who doesn't want to get paid every day, no matter how little it is. So look guys, hopefully you've learned a lot. Remember to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out an awful lot. And remember to join our free Discord chat down below, and we're trying to get as many people talking in there as possible. And look, we will see you in the next one. Thanks guys.